Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to complete form 1040 on TurboTax in 2025. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to gather the necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your W-2 form as well as the 1099 forms and other relevant tax documents. Once you have all of them, next thing you're going to do is to log into your TurboTax account. So go to TurboTax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once you sign into your account, just select the tax year that you want to complete form 1044. Next, you're going to select form 1040. And now just choose form 1040 as your tax form. And then you're going to select start to begin completing the form. And in that process, you're going to enter your personal information. So just go ahead and enter your name, your address, your social security number, and other personal information. And next, you're going to enter your income information. So once you're done with your personal information, you're going to enter your income information. So just go ahead and enter your income from your W-2 forms, from your 1099 forms, and any relevant tax documents. Go ahead and enter all of that income information. Once that's done, you can claim any deductibles and credits that you are eligible for, such as the standard deductions or the earned income tax credits. So once that's done, just review and submit. So review your completed form 1040 and submit it to the IRS, and they're gonna take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to complete form 1040 on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.